There's an update. There is. There's an update. There's an update about Health Secretary RFK Jr. This week, Bobby has been testifying before Congress about slashing HHS's new budget. But before I talk about that, I gotta tell you that according to a new book about him, he once sliced off a dead raccoon's penis while his wife and kids waited in the minivan. He took the genitals so he could, quote, study them later. Yes, day 20 of observing the raccoon penis. It appears that it is still impossible to understand why I did this.